Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Starbucks coffee using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. We'll then walk through the simple brewing steps, ensuring a delicious cup every time. Finally, I'll share some fantastic tips for customizing your drink, so it's perfectly tailored to your preferences. Get ready to enjoy your favorite coffee right in your own kitchen, saving time and money. To begin, you'll need Starbucks coffee beans, ideally ground to a medium consistency for optimal extraction. Fresh, filtered water is crucial, as it significantly impacts the final taste of your coffee. Choose your brewing method. A French press or a standard drip coffee maker works wonderfully. Don't forget your favorite mug. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable coffee-making experience from start to finish. Now let's brew. For a balanced cup, measure 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Heat your filtered water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for extracting rich flavors. Brew your coffee according to your chosen method's instructions, which usually takes around 4 minutes. Once brewed, carefully pour your delicious coffee into your favorite mug, ready for the next step. The best part is customizing your drink. Add your preferred amount of milk or cream for a smoother, richer texture. Sweeten it to your liking with sugar, honey, or a pump of your favorite flavored syrup. Feel free to experiment with additions like a sprinkle of cinnamon or cocoa powder for an extra special touch. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly crafted, homemade Starbucks-style coffee. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.